Hello my friends, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On this video I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous set of decorative candle holders. If you like what you see, please like and share this video with your friends, and if you're new, subscribe so you'll get notified every time I upload a video. So let's get creating. To create this, you will need 2 glass candlestick holders, 2 glass floral bowls, Krylon sea glass spray paint in the color ice, some of this crystal rhinestones closed chain, and if you want to know where to find these items, please check the description box for a link to where you can find them. To clean the candle holders and the bowls with alcohol, and then I will head outside to spray paint them. And I gave my bowl 3 coats of paint. Okay, let me show you what they look like after I spray painted them. Now I'm going to take my clear rhinestone chain and I'm going to glue it around here. Now I'm going to take these clear rhinestone stickers and I'm going to glue them all the way around my bowl. And to glue the stickers, I'm going to use my E6000 glue. And don't worry if you get some glue on the bowl, just make sure you wipe it with a damp sponge. Okay, let me show you what it looks so far. Next, I'm going to continue gluing the stickers all the way around my bowl, and I will show you what that looks like when I'm done. Oh, I love how it's turning out. It looks like it has little diamonds all over. Okay, next I'm going to decorate my candlestick holder, and for this I'm going to use my clear rhinestone chain and I'm going to glue it down here. Okay, it's looking very pretty, very elegant. Next, I'm going to use my E6000 to glue the candlestick holder to the glass bowl, and then I will let it dry for 24 hours. And here is the finished product. All I have to do is clean them a little bit with a wet sponge put candles in them, and they're ready to go. This candle holder set looks so beautiful and elegant. It can be the perfect decor for your home or even a special event. Alright my friends, this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button and share with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe so you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next time.